In your WordPress website hack, infected or flagged by Google, I can fix it in under 24 hours. I will restore your site security, speed and trust. I am Engineer Mesbah Ahmed, WordPress security expert with 10 years experience and thousands of sites restored. Business worldwide rely on my expertise. You will get manually remove, site cleanup, no risk automation. Repair hack files, redirect plugins and HTTP access, SSL setup, secure pathing and firewall protection, Google backlog removal and security login security fix. I will deliver 100% malware cleanup with zero downtime and no design loss. Every file is inspected and secure for long-term protection. Act on now, restore your site, protect your data and regain your customer trust. Purchase my gig today for fast, professional and guaranteed WordPress malware removal. Thank you.